Hi, it's Jo from Minerva. Welcome to a quick sewing tutorial on a little sewing tip that might help you with your sewing. Today I am hemming my Brumby skirt and I need it to be super accurate because it's got top stitching on it. So I'm going to use a hot hemmer. And a hot hemmer is a product that doesn't melt under the iron, and it's got all the measurements on so that you can put it under your fabric and you can press with your iron and get a really accurate iron hem before you put it under your machine. I'm going to pop over to the ironing board and I'll show you how it works. First of all, I'm going to fold up 1.5 centimetres and press, and I can keep that the same now by having my fabric following the edge of the 1.5. So from here I've got 1.5 centimetres and I'm lining up my fabric, and I can continue to do this all the way around, and then I know it's really accurate and I'm not trying to balance a tape measure and an iron and fold my hem. I can just fold and measure and iron all at the same time. Okay, so now my next fold is 2.5, so I'm going to do 1, 2 and a half. So I'm going to use those little half markers, and I can go round and press again, and that way when I come to top stitch it, I know that I'm going to have a really accurate top stitching showing from the right side. Hope that's helped you to get a really accurate hem, especially if you're top stitching, and do call back soon for more sewing tutorials.